were 5-79 last year. Why the playoff talk?
Well, we made a couple of key trades, and we got the funk.
Oh, well, glory be, the funk's on me, Bobble.
Keep that funk alive. Keep that funk alive.
Well, it's 1975, and we just be keeping the funk alive.
Do that funk. Just do that funk.
So what that?
Do that funk. Yeah, just do that funk.
Keep the funk.
Just do that funk.
Got the hell
Do that funk. Just do that funk. We got the funk to tear this mother sucker up.
Oh, yeah, play on, player. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
We won't got the funk to tear this mother sucker up.
On the courtship.
Such a dope campaign. I hope you guys enjoyed that retro commercial from the year 2000 of the Roswell Rayguns. Hey, if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. I'm Bigalkicks. I do sneaker reviews, blogs, mall vlogs, etc., etc. And today we have a special unboxing right here, a special review. I have the jersey on, the Roswell Rayguns Vince Carter jersey. I have a couple of outfits in the bag I want to put together to show you how it would look with the sneakers, along with the jersey, the pants, and the shoes. I just wanted to do a couple of different things for you guys, something a little different than what I normally do. But before we get into the video, if you like Bigalkicks videos, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, of course. And oh yeah, bang that notification bell, turn those post notifications on so you can always be updated with the content up that I'm dropping, that I'm coming forth with. 2021 is going to be a great year, so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's get into this review. I know you all been waiting on it, because I have. So we're going to start off with the box. And the box reads Nike Air Raid, and the color code is black, university, gold, and white. And my size is size 10, and these retail for $145. Okay guys, we're gonna take these out of the box. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. And we have, boom. Boom, okay. Put these back on top. There we go, these are nice, beautiful shoes. Man, let's get a nice, good 360 view. These are so dope. Has this nice mesh panel right here with black. This gold is university gold. You have Air Raid right here on this orange strap with university gold on it. This nice white midsole right here, and that well-known outdoor cage, as I like to call it. Nice little grade of nubuck right here on the side as well. Move to the front of the toe box area, some more of that university gold. You can see the cut right here of the nubuck, durabuck, but the toe is smooth, it's not perforated. Moving up to the laces, we have white laces with orange tips. Nice little touch. So as we look at the straps right here, they're orange with the university gold stitching. I undid the strap so you can see the laces, and if you look at the tongue is nubuck or durabuck all the way to right under the logo real good, and then it has this mesh netting under it. Let's look at the logo. The Rayguns head of the alien is actually a basketball court, but if you look, you see the eyes, and it looks like a basketball as well with the university gold Nike Air. The lining of the shoe with that burnt orange looks real good. It contrasts very well with the colors. Let's look at the back of the shoe. Has for outdoor use only right here in the back. And the stars, that university gold, orange, and white. Quick look at the outsole. It says Air Raid right here, and for outdoor use only with this good inverted traction. I took out the insoles for you guys. All it says is Rayguns in this nice font with gold and black on the inside. Nothing too special about it. Nice, thin, and flimsy, put together with contact glue. I also picked up this shirt right here from Nike. It's Roswell Rayguns t-shirt, Nike tee. It also retailed for, let's see, $35. Nice little logo. I'm gonna put it together with these pants right here. Show y'all another look on how to wear these. And that's it, y'all. Just a dope pair of sneakers, a dope concept to commemorate the campaign and to commemorate Nike basketball as a whole, which I know what we do around this time. Kicks get rocked every day, B. Let's take these Roswell Raygun Nike Air Raids to the streets. And let's put this outfit on too. Man, and these feel good on feet. I definitely recommend going true to size. You know, true to size, pretty colors on the shoe are dope. Gonna get you a back view. My favorite thing about the shoe is the Roswell Rayguns logo on the tongue, as well as the colorway of the shoe. I think it's pretty dope. So we are back. I hope you guys like the two looks I gave you. I did one with the jersey and one with what I have on right now. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and oh yeah, bang that notification bell. This has been another You Wild production. Again, I'm wild, you wild, we all wild, baby. It's your boy Bigalkicks, and I'm signing out. Peace.